What would be the most memorable incident of all three of you at your B schools?
Good or bad?
Both actually, good and bad.
Good and
Whoever is able to recollect first can go ahead.
I think the like for me the most memorable incident would be hosting chaos. मुझे नहीं लगा था कि मेरे को लगा था कि आफ्टर आई डन विथ माई MBA, लाइक आई गॉट इनटू माई MBA, तो ये सब छूट जाएगा, एक्टिंग छूट जाएगी, कंपेयरिंग एंकरिंग छूट जाएगी. But then there's one day when I'm like, I've been called and been like कि जाओ अभी खड़े हो जाओ chaos host करो, and that was a very memorable experience because वहाँ पे मुझे पता है कि मेरा कोर्स मेरा like I have my exams coming up और मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ and I'm like hosting. Apart from that, like funny incidences, like for example, you realize how privileged you are when you're sitting in a class of brand memorability and your professor just goes on and asks another classmate कि so what will you wear for wedding. तो वो बोल रही कि सर लहंगा पहनूंगी और क्या. Lehenga, right? Now, Rudra, what will you wear for your wedding? And I'm like, of course, Sabyasachi. And that's what happened. And I think my batchmates still remember that तू ही थी वो, जिसने ये सब किया था. And of course, the bad memories or the not that great memories were the facts that um, about those days when you're really struggling about getting those grades right, about getting those calls from those internships, about maybe just failing on keeping up with the pace. So those were a little like sleepless nights. Having said that, great company always helps you survive those days, so that happened. So that's nice.
Yep.
Yeah, I think for me the highlight of my MBA was when I acted for a play. So we had a full 200, you know, people had come to see our play. It was a full blown production. हमने it was called Hazra Ka Khwab.
Nice.
And I think very similar. Like I was very involved in theatre undergrad में. फिर लगा कि ISB के first 6 months तो ऐसे भाग गए कि समझ ही नहीं आया टाइम कैसे निकल गया. So that play was very very close to my heart. It's still very close to my heart. My crew is very close to my heart. And the fact that people took out time in their busy schedules to come see that play, वो एक बहुत बड़ा हाईलाइट है. प्रोफेसर्स वर देयर, स्टाफ मेंबर्स वर देयर, स्टूडेंट्स वर देयर. तो ये काफ़ी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. आई थिंक द सेकेंड पार्ट वुड बी, द सेकेंड इंसिडेंट वुड बी बोथ बेस्ट एंड वर्स्ट. प्लेसमेंट के टाइम पे फ्रेंड्स के साथ व्हेन यू प्रिपेयर फॉर केस कॉम्पिटिशन्स, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. कुछ भी, मुझे कैसे फ्रेमवर्क में ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं, बिकॉज आई यूज टू स्पीक कोड. मुझे कोड समझ आता था, मुझे तब तक भी ये स्ट्रैटेजी और ये सब नहीं समझ आता था. सो दोज नाइट्स वर व्हेन आई वाज वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड एंड सब दोस्त बोल रहे कि छोड़ ना यार, मैगी बनाते हैं, खाते हैं, कॉफ़ी पीते हैं, चिल करते हैं थोड़ी देर. फिर वो आधा घंटा आप चिल करो. सो यू आर एट योर पीक स्ट्रेस, बट एट द सेम टाइम दैट्स व्हेन यू फॉर्म द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बॉन्ड्स. एंड या आई थिंक that's I think those that sums up my MBA probably.
ये प्लेसमेंट वाला चक्कर सबके साथ है यार, सच्ची. बिकॉज इतना लाइक दोज नाइट्स आर लाइक कि बट इन दैट टाइम यू रियलाइज कि बैचमेट्स क्या होते हैं. बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर हमारे इसमें भी जब प्लेसमेंट्स होता था कि यार आपको कॉल आ रहा है, मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, हमारे दोनों का रेज्यूमे ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. एंड मोर देन दैट कि डे वाइज प्लेसमेंट्स होती है, डे 0 डे 1, किसी का डे 0 पे हो रहा है, किसी का डे 1 पे हो रहा है, और डे 1 वाले साथ पार्टी कर रहे हैं. बट देन टू दे मेक श्योर कि यार लिसन गाइज वी कांट मेक टू मच नॉइज एक्सेट्रा. और तब तक पूरी कैंपस पार्टी नहीं करती है जब तक लास्ट बंदा प्लेस नहीं हो कैंपस के ऊपर. सो देन इट दैट मेक्स यू फील गुड कि सब लोग वी आर टुगेदर इन दिस.
Yeah.
For me, I think it was when I was researching business ideas, and then tab I did not, so like a lot of people had chosen co-founders to do it with. What I did was I was researching ideas individually. So I'm like very fond of bags. So first one was indie bags. Like India has some beautiful crafts. How can we weave it with beautiful bags and everything? Then there were few in sustainability. And just like I think that entire journey where खुद से you're testing out ideas, you're researching, you're going to mixers, you're speaking to people, you're putting yourself out there. Like literally in mixers, to some of these founders, you're walking up to them and you're like, can I have 5 minutes of your time? And I really want your insights in this. Or for that matter, cold reaching out on LinkedIn. I mean, I think I learned amazing cold reach outs on LinkedIn. Now I end up getting a reply for most of the messages that I send. And also having the fear that this might not even work out. I'm investing time in this. I'm not sure like if this will work out, and if let's say abhi placement season will start in a bit, and if I continue to carry on with my startup journey, ho sakta hai ki I miss this boat, the placement boat, and also this also does not work out, the startup that I'm working on. So having that anxiety but also being functional, also like researching, and like it's a lonely journey. So I think maybe that taught me a lot, which is what I told you, that that those learnings which I felt why I should not start up right now. But it also made me quite strong in a way that I felt like, okay, everything can be figured out, and along the way you will find some beautiful people, and things just have a way of working themselves out. So I don't know, just somehow people started reaching out to me, and the people I was meeting at mixers, or some like very long lost connections, they are like, hey Akshita, like what are you up to these days? And I told them, and they're asking me, okay, like let us know, treat us as an in-house resource, would be happy to like chat, would be happy to connect you to this. And those were the days that you would feel like, okay, yeah, no, I have a support system, I'm not really alone in this. So that was very, very memorable for me personally, like from a personal character development point of view.
And any worst incidents?
Worst incident, I think it's just like because I moved to Bangalore, so I was falling sick quite a lot. I mean,
Yeah.
I was like allergic to something, and then every like 2-3 months I was falling sick. So
So where were you before Bangalore?
I was in Dehradun,
Oh,
and so we moved there during the pandemic, and before that I was in Bombay.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful.
Got it. Cool. And about your faculty, like all three of you, who would be your favorite faculty one, and what did that faculty teach you कि उसकी वजह से लगा कि यार ये faculty was the best?
I think I'll go ahead. So we had a strategy prof. His name is Siddharth Sharma. वो हमें पढ़ाते थे corporate development, mergers and acquisitions. It was a strategy course. वो पहला strategy course था जो उन्होंने मैथ के जैसे समझाया. Like it was not abstract. He broke it down in such granularity कि you can understand why companies function the way they do. क्यों कोई M&A हो रहा है, कैसे चेंज मैनेजमेंट पोस्ट M&A हुआ, वो सारी चीज़ें, एंड बहुत फैक्ट्स और फिगर्स के साथ उन्होंने वो चीज़ समझाई. सो दैट वाज समथिंग आई रियली लाइक. एंड वो बोलते हैं ना कि टीचर का काम सिर्फ पढ़ाना नहीं होता है, उनका काम आपको एज एन इंडिविजुअल ग्रो करना भी होता है. ही वॉज दैट प्रोफेसर. लाइक देयर वाज अ इंसिडेंट इन क्लास दैट हैपेंड रिलेटेड टू असाइनमेंट सबमिशन, एंड उसमें कुछ गलती हो गई थी मेरे ग्रुप से. एंड आई रिमेंबर ही सैट अस डाउन एंड ही गेव अस दैट लीवे कि कोई बात नहीं, चलो गलती कर दी, दिस टाइम आई एम लीविंग यू गाइज, अगली बार से मत करना. एंड ही पुट दैट फेथ इन अस. काफ़ी कैंडिडली बैठ के बात की एज अ फ्रेंड. एंड लाइक इवन टुडे लाइक ही इज़ कनेक्टेड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम विद ऑल ऑफ अस. वो स्टोरी देखते हैं, वो रिएक्ट भी करते हैं, वो खुद स्टोरी डालते हैं तो हम उनसे बात करते हैं, अच्छा कैसा चल रहा है कैंपस पे. वो मोहाली रहते हैं. सो आई थिंक ही वॉज वन ऑफ द प्रोफेसर्स. वी हैड one more course called Org 2.0, which is how do you apply like regression models or data science to decision making in organizations, by Professor Prothit Sen. And that was also an amazing course ki how can you use your chat GPT and such tools with ease to make decisions about your effectiveness of team, about decision making in your organization. तो वो काफ़ी न्यू एज कोर्स था, वो बहुत रेलिवेंट लगने लगा बाय द एंड ऑफ इट. सो आई थिंक या दोज professors and those courses.
For me, so there was this 3-day boot camp by Achal Basambo. So he flew in from US. He teaches at Kellogg, and he was teaching us operations management. and like very interesting course, and the way he put it into perspective also was very interesting. So and basically he was teaching us why assembly lines matter. So what we did, he gave us like this cutout of a house. Now in a team there are 5 people. एक को transport करना है वो paper तुम्हारे तक, एक को
Yeah.
काटना है, एक को ले जाके फिर उसको assemble करना है, then एक को उसको pack करना है, all of that. So in the first go, everyone was in different corners and everything. And then we saw कि हम कितना output deliver कर पा रहे हैं within a set frame of time. And then we were free to choose the assembly line the way we wanted and like allocate as many number of resources to each thing. And then like so then we saw that productivity, and it was like super interesting activity. Just you know, whatever theory we learned in those 3 days was like that perfect end to it. So that was amazing, and I think like his teaching style was also quite lovely. So had a great time.
Can you believe it? We had the same thing.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
I mean, our professor of operations also did the same activity, and that's where you can see, right? Like, the modes might be different, but the learnings somewhat is
Yeah.
somewhat.
They converge.
Yeah, they're converging.
सेम
That-
प्रोफेसर था क्या?
नहीं प्रोफेसर तो सेम नहीं थे, but yeah, learnings were very similar. मतलब आई लाइक प्रोफेसर के नाम मुझे लाइक आई एम नॉट बीन एबल टू चूज वन ऑफ देम बिकॉज सब लोग इतने अच्छे थे. किनके साथ लर्निंग वाइज बहुत अच्छा था, किनके साथ लाइक पर्सनल कनेक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे थे, बट देयर वाज वन broader theme across all professors there was that the fact that outside the class they are definitely investing in how you are as a person, like what is your unmatched potential and how you're actually struggling. If you're struggling with something, they will make sure that they'll invest in you. I remember there is one professor जो मेरे को कंप्यूटर को कुछ नहीं आता था. I was like इन जितनी अच्छी ये कोड में होगी उतनी ही मतलब bad in tech. ठीक है, IT तो और now I'm a product manager. I am good at my job. But having said that, I was really bad at it, and I remember the professor had literally told me, "तुम come to the faculty unit. I'll keep an A, make you sit with that person," and that person was actually giving me tuitions after my class. So you get the support by these professors, but you have to reach out to them. That's something that I learned
Got
on
it.
the campus.
But I think like this point that you just highlighted, that she was very bad at tech or IT, but now she's a PM. I thought I'm great with technology, that's my career path, but I am in a finance role. I think this pivot, this transition is something जो MBA आपको equip करता है.
Yeah, true.
मतलब बहुत forefront पे नहीं होगा, but it plays out somewhere in life. I don't know.
Definitely. Like, I think having said that,
Yeah.
like because you get flavor of so many things at the same place, right? एक जगह पे मतलब operations तुम इतने सीख रहे हो, you're learning about financial
Right.
models, marketing, सब कुछ एक साथ.
Right.
कि even you get that starting point and
Yeah.
then you don't even know that यार ये मुझे पसंद आ सकता
आ
है.
सकता है, exactly.
क्योंकि experience ही नहीं किया इससे पहले,
I
right?
don't even think the idea is to become an expert in any of
Right.
them, but it's just to know
A
कि ये
generalist,
exists
yeah,
करता है,
it
right?
exists, right?
Yeah.
And that is the good thing, because इसके पहले तो ये सब का तो you didn't get a flavor only ना in the
True.
first place. Like I तो didn't have even one psychology subject in my entire life till my MBA. And in MBA I've taken so many psych subjects. So
But BMS में थे.
BMS में वही like
Yeah, very
very
surface
surface
but
level.
हाँ.
These were like cognitive thinking, behavioral theories
Yeah,
and all
yeah,
that. I was like,
yeah.
okay, this is interesting.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.